Hello CD 185 students, this is Kathy Adams, your instructor for CD 185 Infant Toddler Development this semester. This is an 18-week class and I look forward to spending lots of time and reading your work and interacting with you in discussions, and you'll also have an opportunity to do some videos to send to me. So I want to make this as interactive as possible, and hence we've got this short introduction video which corresponds with the letter that I sent you in that first welcome letter. So first things first, we are going to start with how to get into Canvas. So the best way, the quickest way, is to go to your www.valleycollege.edu website, and then going to the right of your screen, you'll see a quick login drop-down menu, and if you click on that, you will see a link to Canvas, and you would put in your password that you use for your web advisor and your student email. It should all be the same password, and then you should be able to get on to Canvas. Once you get into Canvas, you would click on our class, CD 185, and you will enter into the home page. And on the home page will be links to everything you need to know for the class. If you have any trouble getting onto Canvas, the number for help is 909-384-4357 during the day, or in the after hours it's 1-844-612-7420, and they should be able to help you with any problems. Once you get into the home page, and you can go to the module link. So on the left hand side of your screen you'll see different say grades, modules, discussions. If you click on modules, you will find all of the modules in the class there, and the one that's open first is Unit 1. And you will start with the first link in Unit 1, and then you can go through each one of those, and it'll say next, 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 and you can keep clicking on those links, and you will find every activity in the class. Unit 1 has an orientation. It's got the syllabus in it. You can also get the syllabus. There's a link on the home page to the syllabus. But when you click on that, you'll be able to download that syllabus to your computer. I would recommend that you print a copy of the calendar section of that syllabus and keep it close to your computer. And then you can use that to see what's going to be coming up next in the modules. And you can see when the assignments are due. They'll also be listed on Canvas. And if there are any changes in the due dates, I will send you announcements about those. So they should be the same on your syllabus and on Canvas. And you do want to get started with Unit 1. Go on to Canvas the first day of class, and then by Wednesday you should have logged on to Canvas, or I could drop you. And I will send you an email if you have not logged on to Canvas by that time, and then you kind of last attempt to see if you're serious about the class. And then there'll be, once you're on Canvas, at least if you've stayed on Canvas, then by Sunday all the assignments are due, and if you have not done those assignments, you could also be dropped at that point. So you've got to stay with it. It's an online class. Keep up with the dates. Keep checking Canvas to make sure you're on track. I will be sending you many announcements to keep you on track, but you've got to also read. I would be careful to read those announcements very carefully. Okay, so you're on Canvas. You know what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to do Unit 1 by Sunday. You're supposed to log on hopefully Monday, read the syllabus, do everything you need to, and by Wednesday there is a drop date, and then by Sunday there's another drop date, and do all your assignments by Sunday. The only other thing in this announcement that I want to bring up is the textbook information. There is, in Unit 1, there is a free textbook on Canvas, and so you can download that to your computer. The name of the textbook is the California Infant and Toddler Learning and Development Foundations, and it's published by California Department of Education, and all the information is on the home page. If you do not feel comfortable using a link that you need to use on your computer, the bookstore, the campus bookstore for our college has some hard copies of the book that you can either rent or buy. The renting cost is only $13.09 for the semester. Buying used is $22.50 and buying new is $29.75. Or you can use it completely free by using the PDF version of the textbook. And I have gotten permission from the publisher to use that, so it is totally fine. The only other thing I'm going to say is that there are some resources that I have listed on the homepage for more online supports, for if you have any kind of disability. I've put links and other resources for you on that homepage. So I would be careful to read that homepage very carefully, and that's also in the first announcement. I'm going to leave you with a quote from one of the infant experts in our textbook, getting back to infant development. It's Magda Gerber, and she says, "Childhood is not a race to see how quickly a child can read, write, and count. It is a small window of time to learn and develop at a pace that is right for each individual child." Magda Gerber. And I look forward to learning more about infant and toddler development with you this semester. Have a good day, a good week, and a good first week in our class. Bye-bye. See you soon.